welcome back to our channel. And today we're going to be doing two
water slime and oobleck.
So I'll introduce what I have on my side. We have 3 things of clear glue,
Some water.
we each have a spoon and a fork.
We have containers.
We have a bowl. We each have a bowl.
Some activator, which we're using Game Tide works best, or eye contact solution. We're using baby powder, but it says cornstarch, baby powder.
And we're using food coloring for the slime.
This is for the oobleck. So is the water and lotion.
So yeah.
So what you want to do? Get your bowl, of course. Get some glue.
And then what you want to do? I'm going to pour in a little at a time.
Open your glue
And
put some in.
we've never used Game, so we're only going to use a little bit at a time. And see if the first one works, we're going to pour it all in.
Yes. You want to look for the black machine? Tomorrow's Tuesday? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's for your birthday. So you want to get your water and you want to pour a little bit into the clear glue. Then you want to take your spoon or fork, I'm going to use my fork, and then you want to stir it.
Are you sure?
Water flowing. So now we add it. So now we're going to add some Game.
Guys, it's actually forming.
Oops. I got a little bit too much.
You have more glue. Mine's actually forming, guys. So I'm going to add, after,
Mine's going to be like a greenish clear glue. I don't even need any food coloring. Because it's big.
mine's actually white. I just have to let it dissolve. Look. You better add some more of your glue. Add some more of your glue, Eric.
And if yours is sticky, just add a pinch of salt.
Okay, mine is sticky. And also, I need some more Game.
Once it starts to toughen up, that's when you know it's almost ready.
And then, I added a lot of glue.
This slime is going to be a good slime. I can already tell. Can you hear that, Peyton? I don't know if you can hear it, but listen.
Oh my god, guys, look. Mine's just sticky.
I had to play with mine to make it not sticky.
Okay, I'm going to play with it for a second. And then,
I might add just a blue. I think I want a blue.
okay, if I could get,
I'm going to put it into this bowl right now. I'm going to get the rest of my slime.
okay, I'm just going to play with it. Oh my god, I'm going to have to get another bath. Or wash my hand again. How isn't yours sticky? Go get me some salt.
No, you don't need salt. You just got to play with it.
Mine's like a bluish greenish.
It's hardening again. Listen.
So I think Eric's might have worked.
Definitely worked.
And mine didn't. Well, it did, but See how sticky this is, guys?
Well, I'm only using this bowl because this table's really dirty. Watch, ready?
Because we, on our other channels, that we deleted.
I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of blurry.
In our other channels that in the past that we have deleted, Eric, get me some game.
I think you need more glue is what you need.
Then give me some glue.
You feel it. That's more game.
Okay, hold on. I need to put this back in the bowl. Wait, hold up. Should put some. Oh my god, it's barely sticky.
All my stuff just flew over to my side. Yeah, I'm not going to add food coloring, I don't think. But if yours is just like a regular glue, and you got like staff glue, or if you use that, or if you used...
Okay, guys, mine I think was
contact
a fail.
Yeah, you have to use like food coloring. But since my game was green, it turned it green.
Eric's over here like the slime king at this house. Okay, can you please help me? Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands and you're gonna work with this. Oops. Yeah, here, I'll give you some salt. Did that help?
I have to get all this off my hands.
I'm gonna play with Eric's. How? Guys, how? Eric, you know what I'm about to do? About to go. After you finish making that slime, you're gonna empty and clean them. No, never mind. Just give me a bowl. I'm about to make some with this glue. With one of them.
No, that's mine. No, that's mine.
Okay, I'm gonna flip it. Okay.
I'm scared to play with this.
Is it turning out?
I don't know yet.
Okay, guys, so that, now that the glue is in, we have to add a little water. Oh, I think I forgot to do that.
I knew inside I added water.
Oh my god, guys, it's already... What the... Eric, look! What the? It's like already slime. And just a tiny bit. Is that sticky? Oh, it's actually not that sticky. Is that sticky?
A little bit.
So, at the end, we're going to play rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay? And we're going to, whoever wins gets to pick if they want to keep the slime separate or mix them.
I'm gonna make it sticky.
This one's not that sticky, actually. Because, look at it. Move that cup. I might add food coloring to one of mine, but I don't know. Let me feel it.
Not done.
Oh,
What did you do? It's not finished.
okay. Oh my God, guys, this table is so dirty. Look. Wait, I have an idea. That'll do at the end of the video. Alright, I'm going to start mixing again. Oopsies. Guys, how is Eric's hands get so clean? Okay, ready? Okay. Is this brown? Who has black hair?
You.
I have brown.
I have brown.
Clancy. Oh. No, it had to be one of the workers at Walmart. There's hair.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Alright, put it back. I can see. Stop. I wonder if they could have saw that. They didn't see that. Oh, guys.
Eric's all these clothes dirty?
Yeah. Oh. This is probably the best slime I've ever made. You know why? Because it's the first slime I've ever made.
No, this was.
Well, I've made slime before, but it wasn't like actual slime. It was glue.
This is too.
And the other day, like last weekend, I think. Yeah, last weekend on Sunday, exactly 1 week ago, me, Eric, and my sister Scarlett, we made slime out of glitter glue. And Eric's was the only one that turned out right. And then Eric plans to put mine in the sun.
And then
it
it
melts
melted.
it. Then he put it in the freezer, froze it.
Yeah, but I was trying to fix it. Well, we all knew that it couldn't have been fixed because you overactivated it.
Not on purpose.
Well, you did it, so.
How do you make slime not
You want your
sticky?
slime back?
No, not yet, actually. Eric, I need you to play with this to get it not sticky. Just saying.
Oh, hell no. You're using the last little bit of laundry soap I'm doing laundry with.
Eric,
I better hope I still have some.
You should.
Should nothing. They asked for this yesterday and I told them no because I don't have very much.
Okay, I'm risking it. Come on, come on. Ooh. Eric, how do you get it not sticky?
I play with it, add stuff, dude.
Eric, add some salt.
Don't make it soft.
Yes, you do. Salt makes it not sticky. You know what I want to know? Why is it my slime never turns out? Eric, help.
Wait!
How in the world? How in the world does people make slime not sticky? Yeah, guess what? Me and you have the same amount of glue. See? That's mine and that's yours. Okay. This is what you do when your slime's sticky. Oops. Got it on my ring. Get that money. Eric, help.
Wait! Gotta get this other slime off of me.
Eric, let me guess, you made it sticky again?
What?
I said, let me guess, you made it sticky again?
No. You just have to play with it to make it not sticky. And once you stop playing with it, it's sticky.
Then play with it. Oh, never mind, you have to get this one done. I'm tired of this. You can't spank
Stop it.
Sorry, my slime did it. Slime. I really love slime. It saves him. I make it all the time. Psych.
And she eats it.
How in the world? I'm tired of this. I'd rather make the cornstarch. I mean the oobleck. Oh, Eric.
What, Peyton?
What?
Your phone.
No.
Oh, no.
No, I can't go.
Computer bender. I can't do it. I don't have any activator.
You don't need to activate it.
Because I need to activate that more.
I'm making it sticky. Eric.
I think she's finished.
Okay. Oh my god, it's not even, it's like, it's not sticky anymore. See? It's slipping right off.
Can you play with this stuff in your hand?
Eric, I can't. It's all over.
Are you guys on YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need that,
Well,
Okay. Wait.
you guys will just have to do the oobleck on another video.
No, I'm about to do it.
No, we're going to do it on another video. So we can have more videos.
Okay, guys. And if we're gonna make the rest of our slime, we're gonna make off the channel, and the oobleck is gonna be in a different video.
No, we'll use the slime for a different video. Probably
No.
like slime versus something, or
Yeah, we'll do that like in
a different
a
video.
month, maybe. So we'll just leave it through the summer. No.
I fixed it. Slime. I really love slime. I make it all the time, and I eat it all the day, all the time too. Watch it out.
You know, look, guys, it's kind of
Oops.
here. Here. Ready? Why'd it go silent?
Mm-hmm. Okay, go wash your hands. We don't need no more.
Yes, we do. The bigger the slime, the better.
Yeah, we ain't getting any more off your hands.
Yeah, right there.
Stop. Now go wash your hands.
55 on the S55. That was heaven, no, it up.
Stop. Gonna get this copyright.
So, while she's washing her hand, I'm going to do an outro.
So if you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can get notified every time we upload. And so yeah, and comment what slime you liked best. Mine, the slime that I fixed the first time, or the slime that I fixed the second time. So yeah, we'll be back to you on that oobleck. So yeah. Oops. Peace.